Coca-Cola becomes crypto. What? You want to know the last information, price predictions, and much more about the crypto space? Then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news, fun on the ride, crypto a tope. So, very good news today. We have Coca-Cola. It's not the first time, but we have news that is going deep into the crypto space right now with an NFT collection. And we're talking about that in today's show. But first, I want to tell you not about this collection, but about the Ledger Nano S Plus and X, because it's still working the discount of 10%, and this is unusual for Ledger company. So if you want to take advantage of this discount, maybe today, maybe this hour is the last opportunity you have. So use the link in the description and also use this code MOVESOL to Ledger, and that's how you're gonna find the discount. If I disappear, you can see there that is around $10 discount right now for the S Plus. So very good. And then just go to funontheright.com crypto safety, and you can use my courses for free, where we go step by step teaching you how to use the Ledger Nano S Plus or X. And if you are an expert, then we go further into staking, etc. Really nice. We are so happy with Bitcoin because finally we closed a weekly candle beyond the moving average of 200. So that's very good thing. We were praying for a close of the candle itself, not just you know, one of those small parts, but the body of the candle. So we did it. We're so happy, and right now what we pray for is for a total close in the green of the weekly candle beyond the moving average. So that could mean that we're finding support already, and we're going to go up to try to find the next resistances, where we have right now at $24,300, as we have here and here. So that's the point we're looking for right now, and we might break it, because we already broke this point here. That was the last resistance here, and support here and here, and resistance here, and support and resistance here. So once broken this one, right now we're heading, and as we record this video, we're going more and more up, and we will try to find 24,300, which is the next resistances. We can find them here and here, as you can see, and we might broke those limits. Why? Because Matthew Highland is telling us we have an inverse, a reverse shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. So if you look at this chart, we have a new target, if that's so, about 24,300, exactly what we need to break all those past resistances. So that's really good. But in the other hand, remember, I'm not expert. I have no clue. I just try to find the good and the bad in the predictions for the price that the experts are saying. So if you look at the RSI, well, we have to break eventually this trend, as we did in the past, and I think that's not a good thing, because if we go to trading view, I just did this line when we have them in the past, here and over there, and you can take that once we get to the line, as we are right now, with the moving average in the middle, then we just fell a lot. Then we did the same again, and once we meet the line with the yellow line, we fell down again. So right now we are just in a point where Bitcoin might go down and build another stair, as we did here, and then down, just coincidentally with that point, and then the next stair, and then falling down again to the next step. So we'll see if that's so. We're happy because we closed already the gap in the 23,900, but it would be not strange to go all the way up to 24,000 in order to close it really for good. But also that's a very bad sign, because this weekend we just had a new gap, and it's a bad one. It's in the 22,900. So eventually I have no clue, but I expect the price going down to fill it. 90% of those gaps get filled. So we will look at all that. So never miss a show of crypto news. Tomorrow a new one, and we'll see if we're able to break 24,000, and then if we really are able of going to 30,000, which is the next frontier. If we break that line, then we might think we are in a bull market again. That would be so good. Also, remember comparison with the moving average of 20 and 50 in the weekly chart for Bitcoin. The last crypto winter, eventually we were able to cross the red line and then the blue one, and we are heading towards those targets. So maybe in a couple of months we are there, hopefully. So August usually is a boring month, and it's been already, as in 2021 and 2020. Remember those ranges, those lines, white lines, and Bitcoin price just acting in the middle of those, as we are doing right now. But as always, we have to look at the stock market in United States. On Friday, it went up, down, and up, and that's the same Bitcoin did. But today, and it's not the first time, the Asian markets went down, but Bitcoin went up. So more and more Bitcoin price is following the stock market in United States than the stock market in Asia. So maybe really related with institutions and companies in the technology sector, Nasdaq, etc. Remember, you can do all those drawings and you can trade in many exchanges with this app, which is free. You have the link in the description, and you will be able of using all these things, multiple charts, etc. for free, thanks to our partner at Tani. Coca-Cola is the news of the day. It's not the first time they are meeting right now. They are partnering with Polygon in order to create an NFT collection for the friendly day. And as I'm telling you, it's not the first time. Remember, in the past, they were using blockchain in order to verify all the products and how they come from the factories to the final product. If you think about this, we're so bullish. We think of adoption because most of the more important companies in the world are coming in the crypto space. Right now it's Coca-Cola, but we already have Amazon, Tesla, or Starbucks. So more and more companies, important ones, coming in. And as I'm telling you, they have a lot of NFTs right now. You can buy the NFT of a vending machine. Also how they dress when they deliver Coke at the beginning of the company. And the third one is an audio NFT where you can listen how the Coca-Cola can opens, and then how it's how to say that, and how you put the Coca-Cola in the glass and the sound that it makes. So really good news about the metaverse, very good news about the NFTs. And if we talk about that, we have to talk about Over the Reality, our partners, because remember, they are developing that metaverse for good. Remember, you can still earn those watches and with them some tokens. You will find information in the link below. And right now, Over the Reality, that is creating a new program and also an affiliate program. So if you care about how your NFT looks, how your avatar looks in the metaverse, then you can buy more and more different styles. And also right now, if you are a creator, if you know how to do 3D, etc., you can aim for this affiliate program. I leave you all the information right there. So both content creators, both the ones that create all those small dresses or compliments, etc., they will be able to make some money with Over the Reality. That's really good. If you want to know more, follow the videos in the channel. Also, good news about adoption. Lamborghini is being asked for more and more cars. They have a delay of 18 months right now because everybody's asking for a Lamborghini. So maybe we are in the bull run already. It's possible. More good news about adoption. We have the head of Binance, CZ. We have him in the Central African Republic talking with the president. Remember, the Central African Republic just follow the steps of El Salvador and they want Bitcoin as legal tender there. And right now, the most important exchange in the world is talking with the president in order to attach regulations and more topics of the crypto space. Very good news. Also, not just in Africa, but in South America, in Argentina, MasterCard is partnering with Binance in order to launch a credit card service in the crypto space. So good for people in Argentina. If you don't know Binance, which is really rare, you have the link in the description. Just register with that and you will have crazy advantages with that I would talk about in future programs. In the market, we are in the fear. We are 30 right now, but the fear is shrinking more and more. And why is that? Because maybe the fiascos of the crypto winter are over. Voyager is planning to reopen withdrawals next week. That's very good. You will have a limit for those withdrawals, but that's good that some of the money you had there, you might have it back. Also, maybe in the future with Celsius. So are we in the end of this liquidity crisis? Maybe so. The bubbles are in the green. The market is green and dark green. A lot of cryptos in CoinGecko going crazy up. We talk about Solana. It's going up. It doesn't matter all the crazy bad things we're talking about Solana the past days. The price is going up. Also for Dogecoin, and they have a reason why. Because right now they have an improvement, and right now they have this C library that enables lightweight direct integrations of the Dogecoin. That means that if you are a developer, it's going to be really easy to make it compliant with decentralized apps, etc. So you can see here the chart of Dogecoin going up, and also Shiba Inu is going up. And why? Well, that's probably because Binance Card precisely is now joining Shiba Inu, so you can pay with Shiba in this card. And it's not just Shiba Inu going up, but BNB, the token of Binance itself, it's going up in the past 90 days. You can see here the chart. We talk also about Monero is going also up 41%. So maybe it's a new interest in the anonymity in the crypto space, probably so. Here you have the 90-day chart, and you can see it's also going up. It's going up. Ethereum is beyond the moving average of 100. So that's very good things for Ethereum. And in the controversy about Ethereum proof of work and proof of stake, we now knew just that Chainlink isn't going to allow proof of work anymore. So if there's a hard fork with a split, those chains wouldn't be able of using Chainlink. So maybe that's very good for Ethereum 2.0 and very good for Chainlink. Or maybe we will have a new Chainlink, a zombie one, that will allow all this in the proof of work Ethereum hard fork with a split, if that occurs finally. So we'll see if we can take advantage of the situation. You can take advantage of being part of Cardano on the right, the pool, official pool of fan on the right. We just validated 41 blocks. So if you have some ADA, maybe in other server, you want to come with us in our pool. Thank you very much. We have 40 billion in the DeFi space. The best news today, as I was mentioning, is the participation of Coca-Cola and that NFT collection. But also, it's good to know that Tiffany's NFTs were sold in 20 minutes, $50,000 each. Crazy. It's also very good that in the hack of Nomad, we have recovered $22.4 million of the 190 that were drained. Also, bad news in the DeFi space. If you were working with Near protocol, well, we have a new breach of email and SMS data of the users. So if you were a user, remember, be careful with phishing attacks right now through email, through SMS. And as always, for everybody, we recommend to use a different email for the crypto space, and maybe change your name a little bit there, and never use your address, a physical address, because eventually we're learning from this experience of 5 years that eventually every protocol is leaked, and the risk of having your information out there is really, really high. So back to security concerns. Remember, you have the discount of the Ledger Nano S Plus or X, and you can buy it as our friend Daniel Gomez, the writer, did, and he shared it with us in Twitter. Thank you very much. Move Soul to Ledger is the code you have to use, and the link is in the description. Afterwards, free course for you about how to use the Ledger and much more. And talking about our partners, we have to talk about BlockFi. They'll remain, they are resilient, they are here still, besides the crypto fiasco of this summer. If you want to put some of your money at risk, remember, always it will be safer with your Ledger Nano S Plus or X with the cold wallet. But if you have some money that you want to put in risk, then you can have some rentability with BlockFi. We're doing that. If you want to know how, you have that video explaining it. And remember, from August the 1st, they are encouraging us to do so, and they are raising rates so we can have a little bit more for our staking there. If you are in the United States, that's not a possibility, but we can do that in some other countries. And as you can see, they rise a little bit rates for Bitcoin, also stable coins, and also some altcoins. They had a bigger rise. So have a look on that. And if you want to be really safe, if you want the best standard for safety, you can order a zero engrave cold wallet. And you can use the link in the description. We thank you very much. You are collaborating indirectly with the channel. Thank you. And thank you for the people in the community, the writers that share information. For example, Hippocampus Swapper, he was watching crypto news, and he decided, he felt encouraged to create his own thing. As we always say, you can reinvent yourself, you can change your life. You just need some courage and information and a lot of work. So congratulations, they created a DEX, a decentralized exchange, so we wish you luck. And also thank you to Mauro. We went to this festival, Ritmo Latino, in Malaga, and we met him there, and he recognized me without my glasses, which is crazy because nobody recognized me without them. Thank you very much, and thank you with the ones that share cats with us. For example, these ones, those are fighters of the crypto space, really crazy ones. This one even is able to run through water. Be careful, because the market can hit you and you may fall. The same for this seal. The cat is just not happy having it around and smashes her, so that's not a good thing. And what about this cat? This cat is falling, but what was he trying to do? That's Bitcoin trying to go beyond $30,000. And as you can see, it's a very, very big, huge fight, but eventually it can make it. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. And there's not just cats in fun on the right, we have also dogs. We find here this one that is screaming, why always cats? We want dogs. Of course, we have space for everybody here in fun on the right, but we have no more time today. If you want more crypto news tomorrow, you can watch this very same content in Spanish and practice your Spanish. If you go to Fun on the Right, we will say Coca-Cola también crypto. Coca-Cola becomes crypto. And if you want more, we are researching already. And tomorrow we will tell you everything we believe you might know. Here, crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, peace, partying, crypto a tope, to the moon.